Hello, welcome to Mom and Doll Boss. My name is Tricelle and I'm an adult doll collector. I love all things 1/6 scale. Today I am going to be taking a look at some clearance items that I found at Walmart for $3. These Rainbow High accessories. I do have one pair of shoes and the rest are handbags. I'm only going to open a few handbags, but I did want to unbox this purple Rainbow High pair of shoes because I'm hoping to get the teddy bear shoes. So let's see what we can do there. That's what I want to do, and I have some other things in the works, so let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna open this right here because I'm hoping that I got the teddy bear shoes. Cute. Oh, wow. There's a lot of purples. I might not have got those shoes now. A receipt and a tag. Oh, I didn't get them. Oh. So it also comes with this. Dang. I was hoping to get those teddy bear shoes. And here are the shoes. So now I'm going to unbox this pretty fashionista doll. I did get her on clearance for $4.97. And I am going to swap her onto a made-to-move Barbie doll that I got on Amazon. This was secondhand. So I got this doll for $8 on Amazon because it was used. I got it a while ago and I did stockpile on them. So here she is right out of the packaging. She comes with this lavender plaid dress. It does have a cutout in the middle. She also has a pink scrunchie. And the dress doesn't have any Velcro closures in the back, so it is smooth. It's pretty cute. There's the scrunchie, and she does also come with pink shoes. So now I'm gonna get the hot water, a plastic bag, get both of the dolls and put them inside the cup, wait for a few minutes or seconds, not minutes. And then once you take the dolls off, I like to clip the ends so that it's easier to get the doll on. And then you just brace the neck peg and then remove the head from the body. And then once you do that, just put it on the new body and you're good to go. I am going to rinse her hair since I have the hot water just so it's smooth. And here she is. She looks beautiful on her new body. So I am going to open up a few of the Rainbow High fashion bags and see how they compare with Mini Brands Fashion. Oh. So it does come in the tissue paper, as you can see right here. Oh, okay. This is a little waist purse or a fanny pack. It's cute. It has a real working zipper. That's adorable. I think this will be a good size for our dolls here. And then of course you do get the dust cover to protect the bag. Here is how the sparkle bag looks on the doll. I do have to hold it because it's too big. Open up this one here. And then again you get the dust cover. Open it up to see what we get. So it has like a ribbon strap and a plastic one. And here is how this bag looks on the doll. I think it's really cute. Okay, this is different. This is kind of cute. this little bucket bag here. And it looks like, oh, this really works. These little details, like I can't. It has like the pearl little handle, a little detailing right there. Like, okay. A little thing. This is like a faux leather. This is really cute. And here is how it looks on the doll. Adorable. I love it. So now I'm going to unbox the Mini Brands Fashion Ball. It was not on sale, so I'm just going to do the one. Oh. First, we already know about the collector's guide. I'm not going to even say what I want because I never get what I want. Let me see. Oh, okay, so this is a new purse for me. Okay, this is cute. I'm not mad at this at all. Let's see what we got for accessories. Okay, and these shoes are really cute. They have roses on them. They're adorable. I'm gonna have the dolls try them on. Oh, and we also got this headband and sunglasses. What I like is that the sunglasses, you can fold them up. Like, you can't do that with Barbie stuff, so. And for whatever reason, I cannot unbuckle this. I know it's a way you can do it, but I'm really afraid that I'm going to break the purse. So I'm just going to leave it for now and then try it on the dolls. And here it is on my new doll here. And here are the shoes on a regular made-to-move body. They are a loose. You need socks, I would say. And then I did also try them on the curvy and they fit better. The sunglasses fit her so cute. I couldn't do the curvy because I have the Bratz, it's the Bratz hybrid and the glasses don't fit. But they look adorable on this doll right here. And then here is also the headband. Again, I do like this on the Barbie. It looks really cute. So now I do have a couple of pair of real little shoes. I found these on clearance for 97 cents for each box, so I grabbed up everything I could. I only found 2. Oh, okay, these are cute. And here they are, so I'm gonna try them on my regular made to move, and they're extremely big, like they don't work. I did also try them on the curvy. They fit a little bit better, but they still are really too big, so yeah. So let's open up this box as well. Oh. Okay. And we got. So I have these glitter high top shoes here. They are cute. I just tried them on my curvy because I knew they wouldn't work on the made to move, and they're adorable. So let's take a look at these Hairmazing dolls that I got at Walmart. One was $4 and the other 2 were $3. So that was a great deal. So I'm going to open them up and then we're going to take a look. So the first girl I'm going to talk about is her. Let's see, can you see? Okay, we got her. So here she is. I took all the rubber bands. She does have, need a little rinse or whatever. And here's her little outfit. I think this is adorable. I really wanted her because she's pretty. First of all, she's pretty. So if you see her here, her hair comes in a bun. She has this 2-piece outfit on. And here are her shoes. Her shoes are super cute. And then here is how she looks in the back. And both the skirt and shirt Velcro. So these dolls all have the 5 points of articulation with movement at the head. They can go side to side. They cannot go up and down. They also have movement at the arm and movement at the hip. But here she is. I like her little outfit as well. She has like the purple and beautiful curly hair. Here she is in the back. Oh, there is a little bit of shedding. So here are her shoes. All the dolls have a high incline as far as their feet are concerned, but really, really cute. Outfit on. The material feels really thin. It's cinched up here. It's cinched at the bottom, even though the shorts have a hem, but this is cinched. Both of this Velcros in the back. The shorts have elastic. Right, so this girl right here is super cute. She has like, oh, she has fairy wings in the back, long pink hair. She has this beautiful dress. It is cinched at the bottom. This is super pretty. Here are her shoes. I think she's adorable. And I am going to attempt to give her a tattoo. I don't know why I want to do that, but I do. So I'm going to use these nail decals for the tattoo. As you know, I do my own nails. So I purchased these years ago. I don't even know how much I paid for them, but I'm going to use these nail decals on, as you know, as far as the tattoo is concerned. And I believe that this tattoo right here, I'm sorry, it's really blurry, but that tattoo would be good. It would match her, like basically go with her outfit. So I'm going to apply the tattoo to her arm and then add some matte Mod Podge, so that way it won't be like, it won't have a shine and it'll look more natural. And here is how the tattoo looks once the Mod Podge is dry, and I think it's really cute. I did try the curvy Hairmazing doll outfit on my curvy made to move Barbie doll, and I love this outfit on her. It fits adorably, and here's how it looks in the back. It is super cute. This outfit is now hers. Now I did try the fairy wings dress on my regular made to move Barbie doll, and it is really short. I mean, that's how it looks in the back. It does completely Velcro, but I did notice that Hairmazing doll was also a curvy. Okay, so the last outfit here, I do like it the way it looks on the Hairmazing doll better. I mean, you could actually, I mean, if you wanted to, you know, let your doll wear it, I mean, they can get away with it. I don't think it looks bad or anything. It just looks better on the original doll, in my opinion, of course. So thank you for watching today. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please also comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you all so very, very much. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. You are all awesome. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.